Hey, you don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. Hey guys, Nikki here, and I'm finally back with another video. Okay, this is gonna be hair and makeup. So let's go into what I will be showing you guys today before we get started. My wig, you guys have been waiting the information about this wig. It is from My First Wig. You know, they come in a little mini garment bag like this to protect your wig in. Love that, in case you don't want to keep the box. But if you do want to keep the box, this is the box right here. Very sturdy. You just slide the top off like this. Now I am surprised, I don't know what happened, but I usually get a bag in here with like clips and combs and all of that, but I didn't this time. But what was in here was a two-piece wig cap, which I never wear, you guys know that. And there's also a points back system, a reward point system. Now you guys know I love My First Wig. They're a sister company to RPG Show, but all of their wigs are really easy to manage. Basically exactly what the names say. If it's your first wig, it's easy to adjust or to work with, and they're just very user-friendly wigs. Okay, so that is hold up, I'm like, yeah, I see that. I know you see it. Okay, so that is the wig that we will be working with today in this tutorial. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. Of course, I will leave all of the information and the specs about the wig below. Love, 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 love this bob, and you guys did too. If you go back to my Vegas vlog, that is like the #1 comment. What wig is that? What wig is that? So this is what wig it is, okay, you guys? So I will be using two palettes today. That is the focal point of this tutorial. One is the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette right here, and the other one is the KEVYN Electropop palette. There were colors in both that I needed, so I just decided to test out both, especially this one, because this is like KEVYN first time doing a color palette, like colors, not nude colors, if that makes sense. So if you're interested in this will be a talk through, and you want to see how I got this look and this hairstyle. Oh my gosh, look at this dirty mirror though. We gotta adjust that. But if I can be honest with you guys, it is like 13 degrees in Dallas, and I didn't feel like driving to the studio, so I had to make it do in my bedroom, okay? So anyway, before we leave, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You gotta subscribe so you'll know when I load and upload. Just push the button right there that says subscribe, and hit the bell also so it will notify you when a new video is up. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and like this tutorial if you want more. And let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with my Belif Aqua Bomb. This is a great moisturizer to me, so I love using this. And I'm going to do one of those videos, things that I would buy even if I didn't get it for free. Basically like show you guys items that I love, that I got PR. And that is definitely going to be one of them. So this is new to me. It's HYLAMIDE, and it is the Finisher series matte 12 hours, and it tells you to apply it above, on top of your makeup, but I'm scared of that, so I'm just gonna pat it into my face to matte me out. Then for a little bit more protection, I'm going to take this Skindanavia primer spray. It is the oil edition for oily skin. So on my brows, I have been using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So what I'm going to do is just comb through them with one end. And I'm going to fill them in. I have a brow routine. It's not using these products. So what I'm going to do is just insert that brow routine right here and come back with the rest of the face. I am going to mix Zobo and Zulu. Zobo is a pink And Zulu right here is like an orangey tone brown. And that is what I am going to start my crease off with, you guys. So I'm just taking a very large fluffy blending brush and applying that in my crease. I'm just mixing the two colors together because I don't want it too pinky, but I don't want it too orangey either. And I'm just going to build. So the white in both of the palettes were too bright for me, so I'm going to take the Lorac Tantalizing bronzer and I'm going to use that with a short shader brush as a brow bone highlight. Just blend it into that transition color. I'm going to take the black out of the Electropop palette and I'm going to do an old trick. I added tape because I want it really, really sharp over here. And it's just like a little cheat method that I haven't used in a long time, guys. But I'm just going to blend this black in and up. I'm not going to take it too far up. And I'm just using a blending brush similar to the MAC 217. I'm going to take the L.A.Girl Glide On. Love this pencil. Love, love, love. And put that in my waterline and up under my waterline. You guys know how that go. Woo, I need to sharpen this, honey. So we have so far. Makeup Forever has these perfect, I mean, their base. Focus, baby. Focus for mama. Makeup Forever has the Aqua XL, and this is in M20. It's a beautiful blue. You can use these for your lips, your eyes, a liner, a base. And they come in so many colors. So I'm just going to apply this as a base with a synthetic brush. A really cheap synthetic brush that I got from Shop Miss A for $1. So we're going to dip into Chi. That's sensational. Like, what are you talking about, bro? Okay, so off camera, I applied the Kat Von D liquid liner and MsCreativeDiva lashes in Sapphire. And that's what they look like. Woo! Next, I'm taking this white gold base from City Color Cosmetics, and I'm just going to pop that in my inner tear duct. And I'm going to take this color right here. It's like the second color in this KEVYN AUCOIN palette right here. The second palette color. And I'm going to set that base with it. So there is a teal color right here in this KEVYN AUCOIN palette. And I'm going to put that under the lower lash line, just to give it a little bit more color. So today I will be using my Kat Von D foundation only because I am low in my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this is the only other foundation that lasts, and I got a couple of things I have to do today. So I think this is Deep 74, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, see? Gonna make it happen. I'm taking the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC 45, and that is what I will be highlighting with. So let's get it done. And I don't have any translucent powder. So I'm gonna have to run to the beauty room and find a translucent powder. But I'm just blending this in. So what I decided to do is grab the Danessa Myrix powder in 02. It's kind of like a banana peachy tone. And I'm just sitting with that, you guys. It is so finely milled. My MAC MSF in Deep Dark. And the mirror broke. Will I have bad luck? And push it into my skin first. And then buff it. I kind of cheated a little bit. I started and frankly, my dear, forgot I was doing a tutorial or something, I guess. And I'm just putting it on the bottom. I don't like to put it on my good mink lashes and mess them up. So my cure to that would be to put it on before you add the lashes. Bronze. And I'm using my CoverGirl Queen Ebony bronzer. And guys, y'all know how I am about this bronzer, honey. But I'm going to show it to y'all because I'm out of line. NYX blush in Sweet Spring. I'm just going to blush with that. A little wash. I don't want too much blush tonight. I don't look a little stark under my eye. I'm going to take that same Lorac Tantalizing bronzer and a fan brush. Guys, my lips are going to be very simple. I'm going to take Natural Nude from Be Hue, but what I'm going to do is just like barely put it on there. Like that. Just for a little color. That's almost too much. MAC Spite. Love this stuff. Guys, this is the wig we will be using today. My first wig. Excuse my little peanut head, but girl, it took a lot to slick this hair down. I'm telling you. So the lace and everything is cut off already. You guys love this bob, so I'm just gonna put it on. I'm not gonna do anything major like mess with the lace, take out baby hairs. My first wig is a company for beginners, and so we want to see if this wig can do what it do straight out the box, honey. So this is what it looked like. So what I'm gonna do is take a flat iron to it, okay? Just brush through it first. That's what I always do. Just brushing through with a regular bristle brush. And then I'm going to take this Cara wax sticks that look like that. Wax stick. And just put it up here for my flyaways. And to lay it down a little bit more. Just a little. And then I'll take the brush and comb through that. And see, this already looking like, see, this already look like it's going straight from the scalp. So there's not a need, in my opinion, to like add all that baby hair and stuff. You just keep it sleek like this. Now this bob is as simple as it comes. Just run the flat iron through it. Has so body. Love this bob. It's just low freaking maintenance, and I don't do like a full bump. Let me just show y'all. Let me teach you something. You just let it, I just let it do its thing and fall like that. Ooh, my. Okay. This is hot. This is hot. So that's the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.